Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the sound amplifier fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important guys to always test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we will be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the sound amplifier fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. Now, you guys have multiple fuse boxes. Today we will be working in two of them. The first fuse box that we need is on the driver's side. So open the driver door, and if you look under the dash, on the bottom of the dash on the left side, look upside down, you will find one white cover that looks like this one. Remove it, and underneath you'll find the main interior fuse box that we have a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we need to check just one fuse, and then we need to check two more in a different fuse box. That's where the main fuse will be as well. That row of fuses is 1 through 16. This is 17 through 32. The fuse that we need to check here is fuse number 18. That fuse right there. After that you need to go ahead and open the hood on your Toyota Corolla. Once you open the hood, facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box under this cover. Open it, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. By the way guys, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. We will come in that section here, and that 30 amp fuse here, that's known 1, 2, 3, 4, fuse number 4, that's the one that you need to check. And then you need to check fuse number 19, that 20 amp fuse. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.